Okay, welcome back, students. So we're on the last paragraph of this page. It says trade routes follow rivers, seas, and roads across the Maya region, connecting the indigenous, that's a vocabulary word, people to one another. Cities were hubs of commerce where people shared ideas and traded goods. The Mayas used a barter system for exchanging daily necessities. People in the lowlands traded food, cotton, and jaguar skins for coastal salt and dried fish. People across Mesoamerica use obsidian, a volcano glass from highlands, for both jewelry and tools. Wealthy Maya valued precious gemstones and the brightly colored feathers of the rainforest bird. Oh, look at that beautiful bird. So, what role did religion play in daily Maya life, like in the Maya civilization life? How big was religion? And what role in trade and commerce play in Maya civilization? The answer, boys and girls, is trade connected people to one another, and commerce made it possible to share ideas and trade goods. So again, that answer was given to you right along in the passage. So we're going to continue to read. So it says, Maya farmers worked hard to supply food to the city-states. Rainfall and soil quality varied throughout Mesoamerica. The Maya found clever ways to meet the challenges of their diverse landscapes. Some lowland areas received heavy rains from May through December, followed by a drought from January through April. Because of this inconsistent rainfall, the Maya developed ways of redirecting and reusing rainwater. They created canals in the lowlands. They built raised earth platforms above the canals and created wetlands. Aquatic plants helped the water clean and provided shade for the fish in their canals. The fish, in turn, provided both food and fertilizer for the fields. In highland areas, the Maya cut terraces into slopes of mountains. They practiced multi-cropping on this flat land, planting and harvesting to land multiple times throughout the year. Their crops included beans, tomatoes, squash, chili peppers, and pumpkins. Maize or corn was the main food throughout Mesoamerica. So my question would be, boys and girls, what does it mean to adapt? Yes, adapt means to change some way to get one needs met. So they learned to adapt to their environment so that they could get their basic needs met. Okay, next it says in forested areas, the Maya used a technique known as slash and burn. They slashed or cut down trees and then burned the area. Then they planted new crops. Ashes left from the fire added nutrients to the soil. After several years, the crops used up the nutrients in the soil. The Maya then repeated the process in another area. The Maya also gathered tree crops. Fruit trees thrived in the rainforest. The Maya enjoyed the bountiful fruit of the bread nut tree. Similar to the apricots in appearance, bread nut fruit has highly nutritious seeds. The Maya ate these seeds or ground them into flour. The Maya also used many rainforest plants for medicine. Some Maya hunted game, remember our vocabulary, in the forest, including deer, rabbits, and other small mammals. And we're going to stop right here, boys and girls, right at mammals. I promise after this one, we only have a little bit more reading. I know it's a lot, and then we'll discuss.